Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the safety interlock outlet with smoke and heat detection. So the purpose of this product is one thing, it's to prevent appliance fires. What we have is a smoke detector which also detects heat, and it's connected to this switched outlet. You can see now there's a green LED on the outlet. That means there's power to it, and I'll turn this toaster on to demonstrate that. So there's power to the outlet now. As soon as I press the test button, you can see there's an audible alarm, a red LED here, also a red LED here, which indicates that there's power has been turned off to the toaster, and you can see the toaster is off. This device can be used behind dishwashers, behind built-in microwaves, in a closet where maybe people are charging batteries, things like that. This is a way to mitigate the risk of fire. It's relatively inexpensive and easy to install and gives you good peace of mind. So that's the safety interlock outlet with smoke and heat detection.